In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Expert Advisor not trading in MetaTrader 5. If your EA isn't taking trades, don't worry. Let's walk through a clear checklist to get it running. First, open MetaTrader 5. At the very top, look for the Auto Trading button. Click it so it's turned on and showing green. If it's not green, the platform will block any automated trading regardless of what your EA wants to do. Next, make sure the EA is actually attached to a chart. Open a chart for the symbol you plan to trade, then in the Navigator panel, under Expert Advisors, drag your EA onto that chart. When you do, a settings window will appear. In that window, enable the required permissions. Tick. Allow algo trading, so the EA is allowed to place orders, and if your EA specifically needs it, tick Allow DLL imports. Only turn on DLLs if the EA documentation says it's required. There's also a global setting that can override your EA. Go to Tools, Options, then the Expert Advisors tab. Ensure that Allow Algorithmic Trading is checked. If this box is off, no EAs will trade, even if auto trading looks enabled. Now confirm that market conditions are suitable. The market must be open for that symbol in session. If the spread is unusually high, some EAs will wait. Also check that your account has enough balance and free margin. Insufficient margin will stop orders from being placed. Review the EA's inputs to be sure they make sense. Right-click the chart, choose Expert List, then open your EA settings. Look at lot size, risk parameters, and any filters. If the lot size is smaller than your broker's minimum or not matching the allowed step size, the platform may reject it. Consider any trading restrictions you might be under. Some proprietary trading firms block certain strategies or EAs. If you're on a funded or challenge account, verify that your EA complies with their rules. If the EA still isn't trading, open the toolbox with Ctrl+T and go to the Journal tab. Messages like Trade Disabled, Invalid Volume, or Market Closed point directly to the cause, whether it's permissions, lot size, or timing. Double-check that the EA is on the correct symbol. An EA designed for XAUUSD won't work properly if it's attached to EURUSD, and some brokers use symbol suffixes, so match exactly. If nothing changes, restart MetaTrader 5 to refresh connections. And if you're running on a VPS, make sure MT5 stays open at all times. Don't log out or shut down the VPS or your EA will stop.